It is peak midsummer, and everyone is craving an ice-cold treat. But gas station slushies are packed with artificial dyes and refined sugar, and pulling out a heavy, noisy blender for one drink is a nightmare to clean up. That is where instant DIY slushy cups come in. We tested the most popular models on Amazon to see if they actually work. First up is the viral silicone squeeze cup. You simply freeze the inner sleeve, pour in pre-chilled fruit juice, and squeeze for 60 seconds. Magically, real fruit ice slush forms right before your eyes without adding watered-down ice. It is super fun for kids and perfect for real fruit juices. Next, we tested the Zoku slush and shake maker. With its heavy-duty aluminum core, it is ideal for creamy milkshakes and frozen coffee. To elevate your flavors, pairing sparkling water with Torani syrup creates instant coffee house slushies at home. If your cup is not slushing, remember to freeze the liner for at least 6 hours and pre-chill your beverages. Check out our full honest testing guide and troubleshooting tips linked on our blog.